Is your FC24 gameplay a chaotic mess of lag, bizarre camera angles, and controls that feel like they're fighting against you? Don't panic, because in the next 90 seconds, I'm going to show you exactly how to reset and restore your game settings back to their glorious default state, wiping the slate clean and potentially fixing those annoying issues. Alright, from the FC24 main menu, navigate over to the Customize tab. It's usually located towards the right side of the screen, so give your joystick a little nudge in that direction. Once you're in the Customize menu, look for the Profile option. This is where the magic happens, so go ahead and select it. Now, this next step is crucial, so listen up. You'll see a few options here, and the one we need is delete profile number 1. I know, deleting things can be scary, but trust me on this one. Before you go trigger happy, the game will pop up with a confirmation message. It's basically asking if you're absolutely, positively sure you want to erase your current settings. Read it carefully, and then, if you're ready to unleash the default settings, confirm the deletion. The game will then take a moment to process your request, which will involve loading new settings. And just like that, boom, your FC24 settings are now back to their original, out-of-the-box state. This can often resolve performance glitches, controller mapping problems, and weird visual glitches. So, if your FC24 experience has been feeling more frustrating than fun, give this reset a try. It might just be the simple solution you've been looking for. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more FC24 tips and tricks.